run deep. Still.
What is up with you guys? Babalik tayo sa ating channel at tayo ay ito na siya, buddy. Buksan na natin to. Try natin siya. Boxing. EST. Galing lang natin to. Solid oh. Solid yung pagka-part. And then right from the back, dito na yung ating unit. So ito siya. Wow! Mahulog. Ito natin. Unboxing. Tapos meron tayong wire dito. And wala na. So ano siya? Ayan siya ba? Unbox na natin. So tetest lang natin siya. Hindi yata siya rechargeable. Hindi siya nag-charge. Kailangan i-connect sa saksakan body. So in order for you to use this, kailangan mong i-download yung Marshall app ko siya. Kailangan nyo siyang i-download. Basta try natin yung use.
Para gising ang isip, katawan at diwa. Dito ka na sa Nescafe Classic.
Lakas body.
Introducing Acton 2 Bluetooth. Acton 2 is the smallest speaker in the Marshall lineup, but don't let its size fool you. This dynamic compact speaker features 3 dedicated Class D amplifiers that power its dual tweeters and subwoofer for a sound that's nothing short of large. The wooden cabinet construction provides a warm, natural sound with a bass reflex system that packs a punch at low frequencies. Stream music directly to your speaker. This technology provides lossless wireless sound with a range of up to 30 feet or 10 meters while maintaining connectivity. There are more ways to connect than just Bluetooth 5.0. With the 3.5mm input, you can use a turntable, cassette deck, or any other listening device for an analog listening experience. You can use the Marshall Bluetooth app to customize your listening experience or control the music you're listening to. Bring the big stage home with Acton 2 Bluetooth, the small but mighty workhorse.
Game. So in this part, we will try its volume. So this is a 50%. We add bass and treble. Then we will go for 80%. Then 90%. Then 100%. You can test the bass.
I can handle that. I just get your left on.
Last. So for me, the cons are this device isn't battery ready, so it means you need to plug it. So if you go tour with your friends or have some road trip, you can't bring it along, or you can as long as you have a extension cord. You also need to download the Marshall app for you to access the Bluetooth orientation of the device, and you need to bring or carry a 3.5 5mm AUX cord or just plain AUX cord, and that's all.
Overall, I will give the device 4.5 stars, I think, 5 being the highest.